Mitchell 1 was first to bring full-color system-level wiring diagrams to the automotive aftermarket, an innovation that provided easier identification in diagnostics. Since these scalable vector graphics, or SVG, diagrams are built digitally like an engineering file, the diagrams retain clarity no matter how much they're zoomed in. Because these diagrams were built to our own specifications, there is a consistent naming convention and layout used for all vehicles. If a technician is working on a Ford, then switches over to view wiring for a BMW, it will still be familiar since the Mitchell 1 SVG wiring diagrams all share the same easy-to-use layout. With increasing electrical and mechanical complexity, you need wiring diagrams that simplify your diagnostic task. Component focused. With a single click, you can select a component, and this will also highlight all of the associated wires for that component. After using OneSearch Plus, ProDemand takes you directly to the wiring diagram associated with your search term. Even if the diagram has multiple pages, we'll take you to the specific page. When you open the diagram, the component you searched for is already highlighted automatically. No need to zoom or drag the diagram or browse multiple diagrams to find your component. Simplified view of wiring diagram. You can hide wires. The hidden wires appear faded but don't disappear completely. This allows you to still see the full diagram while focusing on the content relevant to you. Highlighting extends across multiple pages, taking you from the component in focus to the termination point. Pages automatically retain zoom and orientation when navigating to that next page. To drag the page, simply click on the diagram and move it with your mouse. The latest wiring diagram improvements redefine diagnostics with patent-pending exclusive features to take the next step in diagnostic efficiency. Interactivity connects diagrams to components. Navigate directly from the diagram to component information without additional lookup steps. Component names shown in the wiring diagrams are also active links that take users straight to related information, like component location, connector views, and replacement procedures. You also have one-click data access by launching a search directly from the wiring diagram. A new search button is available after clicking on a component link inside a wiring diagram. New intelligent direct linking between wiring diagrams. Our goal is to bring technicians to the specific wiring diagram with the component and traces for it already highlighted. Most diagrams have redirects to another diagram in the same set, or sometimes a diagram that is part of a different diagram set that provides a better view for the technician's inquiry. There are two ways within wiring diagrams where we refer users to access different diagrams. Triangles suggest another diagram within the same set that has a better view of the trace. Arrowheads at the end of the trace indicate that trace is better served by a diagram within another set. New shortcut. Now users can jump directly from a wiring diagram to another in the same category with the trace already highlighted. Once a jump has been taken to another diagram in the same set, users can click on History to easily toggle between the diagrams. So now it's just a single click to get there and a single click to switch back if you need to. New shortcut. While it's been possible to get from one wiring diagram to another in a different category in the past, the multiple steps required made it tedious and time-consuming. Until now. Just click on the jump reference in the current wiring diagram and then be immediately delivered to the related wiring diagram in the different category with traces already highlighted. New wiring diagram history. We store a list of the last 10 wiring diagrams visited. A user can quickly revisit any of those previous diagrams by simply clicking on the diagram title in that drop-down list.